Hi everybody, Papa Kenny from Papa Kenny's Workshop. Yep, we got some experiment going on. Getting ready to paint rattle can. Not today. I want to test out a paint and see how it went on, see how it looked. When I originally bought this truck, it said right in the description, painted with rattle can gray. So basically that's where the truck got its name, and I've been touching it up with rattle can. But anyways, I decided I'm going to paint the whole truck, and I wanted to run an experiment, seeing that they sprayed this with rustoleum paint. Why not mix up some and do it all in one shot? So I did mix up some. It was the wrong color. It was actually smoke gray. I DA'd the whole bed back here with 180. Then I blocked it out with 220. There's still some dents in there. I'm not worried about it. I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for, I don't know, one color. I can't think of the word. But anyways, so I mixed up a batch of smoke gray. I thought it was the right color. Obviously it's not. And I mixed it up as 3 to 1 to 1. 3 paint, 1 acetone, and 1 part urethane hardener. I got the old test hood out here. I experiment with air pressure and different guns. So I think I got it. I used an old pot gun that I had hanging around. I got my good HVLP gun loaded up, ready to go. Well, not loaded up, cleaned up and ready to go. Unfortunately, you cannot buy charcoal gray other than a rattle can, so I was kind of screwed. They did have Krylon, same kind of paint supposedly, and she mixed it up to the rustoleum charcoal gray tint. So we'll see. Whatever it is, if it works out, that's the color I'm going to be, and that's how I'm going to paint this whole truck, right here, right in the driveway. Once it warms up, as long as it's past the test. Worst case scenario, I'll have to sand this all over and do it the right way. So let me mix up some paint and we'll get after it. I did get a lot of crap in here, and I see it looks like a run over there, but that's on the bottom. I should have probably sanded it out a little bit better. But all right, let me mix up the paint, clean this bottom bumper over here, and we're gonna give it another coat with that Krylon charcoal gray. We'll see how it turns out. All right, here we go. I already don't like this gun. I'm gonna switch guns. Hang on. I want to go back to the other gun. Alright, switch guns. Let's see if that's a little better. It's like the same color paint to me. And tire cover. Yeah, it's the same color. I might have to add some black to it. All right, here we go. Coat number 3. As you can see, coat 2 still too light. So what I did was go buy a little bit of black paint and mixed it. Looking back and forth in the truck, it's kind of hard, but we're gonna go with it. Let's see how it turns out. That's better. Might be a little bit too much pressure. Let me turn the pressure down a little bit. Ain't helping that it's windy. Okay, so that coat didn't come out perfect. I'm gonna have to wet sand it. I got some orange peel, but I'm not even sure I'm gonna worry about it. Maybe I'll wet sand it and put another coat on. I may have had too much paint trying to mix the black in with the gray or whatever. But next up I'm gonna do the hood. So DAing it with 180, then I'll block it with 220, and we're gonna paint the hood next. The hell with it, right? I'm not looking for perfection, consistency, that's all. Alright, let me sand this hood, then we're gonna paint it. Alright, there you go. One Rust-Oleum paint job. I got a little bit of orange peel. I don't care, it's uniform, no runs, it's clean looking. You know what I'm saying? Over here, I tried to come up in the corner, I got a little bit overspray, I'm gonna have to dress. Maybe a little wet sanding on the roof, a couple spots, but hey, 40 something degrees out. I know, I'm out of my mind. Quick and dirty, but it's uniform. I think it looks pretty good. I still got the other side to paint. I'm running out of paint. But I'm working on the door over there, and I just got carried away painting. You know how I am, people. Impatient, but yeah. So I got this side to paint. Just the fender, the door, and the back. And the tailgate. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But there's dents in the hood I don't even care about. I just wanted it all one uniform color. What do you all think? Rust-Oleum paint job. I mixed it 4 parts paint, 1 part acetone, and 1 part acrylic hardener. Alright, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.